Stop making this error. We're trying to integrate this. What you're going to do here is to take u is equals to cos x. The question you're asking is, why are we using cos x here? Because we have a cos x, and if you differentiate this, I'm going to eliminate. Okay, therefore, if you differentiate this, you have du is equals to what? Minus sine x gx. Okay, therefore, that means up here we can just substitute. That will be negative du is equals to sine x gx. Hence, our integral will be what? Integral. You have also to change the variable, since this is in terms of x. In terms of u is equals to cos x. U will be equals to cos pi on 2. That will be equals to 0. And u on the other side is equals to cos 0. That is equals to 1. Therefore, our integral will be what? From 1 to 0 of negative du all over. That is 5 plus u. Okay. From here, since there's this negative, we can invert the signs. That will be integral from 0 to 1 of du all over 5 plus u. Okay, integrating this, I'm going to have what? Ln of 5 plus u with range from 0 to 1. That will be equal to ln of 6 minus ln of 5. That will be equal to ln 6 on 5. Try solving this and drop the answer in the comment.